Hey teachers, it's Clever Kids here, and are you stuck for a budget this Halloween? I'm going to show you how to do a €1.50 Bebot lesson. So I'm using the Clever Kids Halloween cards, but you don't need these ones specifically, you can make your own cards if you want to. I'm just going to show you where you can put sweets on the mat to deliver a numeracy lesson with Bebot. So I've used 12 sweets here. You can see that I have 1 sweet on 1, 2 sweets on 2, 3 sweets on 3, 3 sweets on Tasty, and 3 sweets on the little boy. This gives us 12 sweets, which means that's 2 for each student in the group. So now, let's get into coding Bebot himself. So what you want to do first is turn around and make sure he's on. After that step's done, we just want to bring him to 1 for the first one. So we're just going to clear in case there's any commands already in his system. We need to turn right, and then we need to press forward. So if we just press go now, he'll land on the first sweet. That's perfect, look at him go. That's step 1 done. Now let's go into step 2. So for step 2, we need to bring him from this square up and here. So what we want to do is he's facing this way. We want to clear him first, turn left, turn up. So now he's on this square and he's facing this way. We need him to face this way. So we need to hit right, and then we need to hit forward twice. And then we'll just hit go. If he moves the grid, that's okay. We'll just reposition him. Well done, he's landed on 2. Right, now let's go to step 3. Step 3. So what we need to do is clear him first, and now he needs to turn 180 degrees, or turn around. So we need to go 1, 2, then we need to go forward, forward again, and forward again. So I'll just hit go. Perfect, look at him go. Now we have our 3 sweets, so we have 6 sweets collected. Let's go on to step 4. We're going to aim for the Tasty. So now for step 4, we need to clear his memory. Now he's facing this way, we need him to face this way. So we go right, then we need him to move onto this square, so we press forward. Now he's on this square and he's facing up, so we need him to turn right again. It's this one. Then we need him to land on 5, the broom, and the sweet. So what we need to do is we need to hit 3 forward, then go. You can see he's overshot a little bit, so what we can do is we can just reposition him when he stops. Now he's landed on the Tasty. So that means we have the 3 sweets in. We just have 3 sweets left, which is the little boy. And now for the last step, we just want to clear his memory again. We need to turn left. We need to go forward to land on the nuts, and then we need to go forward to land on the boy. We just hit go then. Well done, Bebot's landed on the boy. And that's our example of a little quick Halloween lesson. So in this lesson, we covered basic numeracy, such as counting 1, 2, and 3, whilst also celebrating the Halloween season. We'd really appreciate a follow so you can join the hive, and we'd love to see you be part of the loop by turning post notifications on. Don't forget to like and share the video if you found it helpful. A share means a lot to us. Thank you from Clever Kids, and I'll see you next time.